Hey everyone, so I'm here in my laundry room and I just wanted to show you all like a quick little tip. So I have like three different laundry soaps. I really love the Apple Mango Tango from Gain. It's my favorite scent. And this one, this is good too, the scent. I'm all at the scents. I got this bottle for $2 at Giant. So, and this one is just the Wegmans brand. This is always like $2 or $1.99 or something like that. I just finished washing my rugs and I thought I'd tell you all. So like when it comes to like rugs and like things that you're not gonna put on, I always use like a cheaper one. Well, I just started to. Well, before I used a cheaper one too. Um, so I would use like a cheaper a cheaper laundry detergent for like rugs and like the dish towels, stuff that doesn't need to, it's just a cheaper, you're going to walk on it anyway. Um, so, and I'll save these two for like my clothes and things like that. So, I just thought I'd give you this quick little tip. Let me know how you all save on laundry. Um, I would love to know. And then I have like some dryer sheets up here. There it is. So sometimes I use dryer sheets, sometimes I don't. Like it's not like a necessity to use dryer sheets for me. That's another tip. So two tips in one. Don't use dryer sheets and then use like a cheaper one for like a cheaper detergent for rugs. So let me know what you all do. Bye.